recall, this is the infamous scavengers colony that the Honorable Minister of FCT visited some few days ago, where he directed that all the trees should be cleared so that the scavengers will leave the place. So we have started and the work is ongoing. You could see how much we have cleared. Somewhere that at that end, that was the beginning of the point, and now we have done so much, close to a kilometer or two, just clearing the trees and then sending the scavengers away. The challenge is that when you push them from one point, they go to point 2 or point B. So now we are discussing with the relevant stakeholders on how to use different strategies to move them out of this environment entirely.
Are you engaging plot owners that are on this corridor?
Yes, we are taking inventory of all the plots aborting this road corridor so that we can get their data from the Department of Land Administration and get in touch with them to come and show presence by way of either fencing and then commencing development where necessary.
How committed are you to achieve the end of this objective for this?
We are in high spirit because of the ministerial backing we've got. For the Honourable Minister to leave his office and come to this forest, it's a very, very big push on our own part, and that's why we see us working daily, morning to afternoon, evening. I want to see that we have achieved that target.
Any timeline for the completion?
Well, the timeline is when we finish, because even from here we are going across through Jahikado district. That's linking us up to Ring Road 2. That is when we finish, then we are done. So, but you can see the progress of work is something that is we're happy with what we are doing, and it's something remarkable.
So can it take a month or more?
No, it will not take a month. It won't take a month. Yes.
So 2-3 weeks?
Yeah, between 2 to 3 weeks. Because the intention is that once we are done with the tree cutting, they want to also, if we can try as much as possible to see how we can clear. But because of the tree storms and all these things, we have to maybe, it will delay us to some time. But it's like the natives want to take over some of the tree trunks. And then I don't know what they want to do with it, but I think they approach us that they want to take the tree trunk. But if they cannot take it, we can clear it and then move on. Okay. Yes. Yeah, well, my is that the people trying that want to use these tree canopies to hide, well, no, we are going to visit them wherever they are. We are going to remove them. Yes, in FCTs, all across FCT. And then maybe it's also a call, an appeal to those people that plant trees anyhow, that please, this thing should be minimized, because now we have found out this is where some of these miscreants and people of underworld go into hiding. So we don't want it again.
My name is Kayode Olumodeji. I'm a landowner around this side. I just came to see what is happening to my plot. Coincidentally, I saw the massive, huge development that is happening here. I want to say categorically that we are very happy with what we are seeing. We are happy with the strides this minister is trying to achieve, because he has hit the ground running. Nobody believed that this place would be looking like this. When I came, I didn't even believe what I was saying. I want to say I'm very, very happy, and I want to believe everybody that has 1 or 2 properties here will be very, very happy. Keep it up, Wike. We are very happy with what you are doing. This is what we want to say in FCT. We are very happy with what you've done. This is what we want to say in FCT. And I know the best is yet to come. We love this minister because he has hit the ground running. We are very happy with what we are saying. God bless UK. God bless APC.
Okay, prior to this time, what was your experience coming here?
Prior to this time, we don't like coming here, because when you come here, you get disturbed. When you come here, you go home sad. You are not happy with what you see. You see all these Babambola boys. In fact, we don't like coming here, because when you come here, your heart will be broken. But coming here now, I'm happy. And I know if I come in 2 weeks' time, I'll be more happy.